Eternity. To make the paper, we cut the stem according to the size we need, big or medium or small. And the height of this plant between 3 up to 7 meters, 21 feet. It was taller, but all the time we cut for demonstration. So for example, if we would like to make a small picture, we cut a short part, let's say like this, of the stem. And at first we peel the skin. To make the paper, we use only the pulp, the inner white part. But the ancient Egyptians used the skin to make sandals, hats, ropes, bags, baskets by weaving. It is called because it's strong and also flexible. To make the paper, we divide the inner part into thin strips like this. But in this condition, it's fragile, breakable because full of water and sugar. So we use at first a hammer, and we hammer it to squeeze the water. As you can see. Then we use a rolling pin and we roll it to be more flexible and flat, and more percentage of water is squeezed. Comparing to before, it becomes stronger, still can break, but not so easy, and very flexible. Then we put it in the water, only water, nothing additional from tap, river. 1 week in the water, if you like to have this color. 2 weeks or more, we have this dark or brown, but same quality, identical. Just the sugar bit by bit becomes oxidized. And the highest quality like this is 5 months in the water before attachment.
5 months?
And I will tell you why, yes,
Wow.
later, why it's better quality. After 1 or 2 weeks, we bring 2 pieces of carpet, cotton, linen, whatever, and we arrange the slices in 2 layers. If you touch, you can feel the slimy. This is the natural glue of the sugar. With this, we attach, no chemical, no resin. That's why it lasts for 1,000 years, antibacterial. And we arrange it in 2 layers, one vertical, another horizontal, crisscross, until the end of the size you need, like you can see. Then we cover to absorb some of the water, and we put it inside a press machine for 1 week. If pressing continuously 1 week, the natural glue make it stick together naturally. Sure, 1,000 years ago, no press. They used instead 2 rocks in the ancient time. 1 down, 1 up, but smooth, granite, marble, heavy rocks. 1 week here, 1 week there, 1 day under the sun to get dry 100%. This is the final result. This paper in manual history, like you can see the horizontal and the vertical. And if you smell it, no smell, natural fragrance. The fake one from China, I'm not joking, made out of banana leaves, you smell the resin or the chemical which is used. But this natural doesn't have such a smell. Also the authentic is very strong. Sure can be damaged, I'm not saying unbreakable, it's a paper, but not easy like any normal paper. Also very flexible, that's why you see our stock in these big tubes. Here, sir, yeah. Keep it rolled for whatever, how long, nothing happens. That's why also if you decide to buy something, you get it in such a light, strong carton tube, weigh nothing, with a guarantee certificate from the ministry with our stamp, no tax, no custom, no declaration. This is about the making. After making the planky paper, we send it for professional painters of the Academy of Fine Art. And I forget to say something very important about it's washable. Seriously, you can wash like a cloth, not only touch. What's good about this now? The painters, if they are not satisfied of what they paint, before it get dry, right away, wash it, erase the painting, put it under the sun, more or less 10 minutes, dry again, and start over. And you can do this whatever, how many times. That's why it's almost perfect, because they are professional, and also they can amend or repeat their work. And something will last forever, I'm not joking. It deserves to be made almost perfect. Only God could be perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.